guys, so today we're going to be talking about Birmingham Children's Hospital charity and why they help children. Why I chose this charity? I chose this charity because they looked after me when I was there. When I was 4 years old, I had an appendicitis and I needed help and operation. The doctors and nurses were very kind to me and lots of people did activities and I made some friends. When I was there, we made things like slime. You also looked after my little brother Rowan, who had to have an operation. Birmingham Children's Hospital Charity Vision. Birmingham Children's Hospital Charity Vision. What I'm going to raise money. I'm going to give up fizzy drinks for the whole entire December because me and my mummy love to drink fizzy drinks. How I'm going to raise money. I am going to raise money by asking family and friends to sponsor for me. How I'm going to advertise it. By making a film clip, by making posters, by making a sponsor formship. So when I was looking on the Birmingham Children's Hospital website, I'm doing the Give It Up challenge, and this kid Lenny here, I'm doing it for some sick kids like him. Thank you for watching!